Drop my fish tank, girl.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I've cleaned out my keyboard before.
Drop my fish tank.
Yeah, my enter key on my number pad doesn't work anymore.
Really?
Yeah, because it came out. Shy, come here. Come sit right here. Say hi. Hi. What's your name? Who is that? Who is that? Is that Cheyenne? Getting her nose wiped? Oh, say something. Oh, baby. Say something.
There's that yawn. Oh, she looks awful, honey. Look at her. Hi, girl. Hi.
Hi. Do
Her
something.
hair's a bright green. Her hair looks like she's been dancing.
Dance, Shy. Oh, are they talking about your hair? Are they being mean?
Well, look at it.
We can only say because we love you.
Dance, Cheyenne. Or trip over the cord. No. Don't put it back.
Don't you?
I'm not.